Hello, everybody. Andrew Majewski here. So, ladies who wear makeup, even actually if you don't wear any makeup, you need this, okay? Hence, I had just used it, which is why I actually wanted to show you that it is amazing for taking off makeup, even the makeup where you think it will just not come off. And this is using only water. So, this is our Norwex body cloth. I'm just looking for the tag. Oh, here it is. The Norwex body cloth. And all you have to do is you just have to use a little bit of water, not too much. Wake it up like this, and then use it to take everything off, you guys. This is amazing. I have been using this to take off my lip scents since I actually first started selling lip scents because I just happened to have the Norwex cloth first, and then when I started selling lip scents I thought, oh well, I wonder if this will take it off too. Yes, it does. So this is amazing. No, harsh cleansers needed. Like, this will take everything off, because what a lot of people don't realize is, you don't want all of that makeup and pollution from the day to be staying on your face, because when you go to sleep, all of that's now on your pillow, and then it's being transferred again to your face, right? That is why your skin might not be as, clear and healthy as it could be. But on the other side of things, if you're using certain lotions, creams, anything, even just soap and water, that's too harsh for your skin, especially your skin on your face. And our skin is our largest organ, and it will absorb everything. So to be on the safe side, use only water, but our skin needs more than that. That's where this comes in, because Norwex has our amazing backlock technology, which means any of that stuff, sometimes bacteria that's sitting there, is now locked in here, and it does not leave. It will stay in here. So then you might be wondering, well, is this cloth going to be pretty dirty? Do I have to wash it every day? No, because these are 99.9% antibacterial. So it will actually kill that bacteria and stay in here. You do still have to wash it though. Like, I probably wash my cloths once a week, I have 3 different ones. So I probably use one cloth, and then I use another one 3 days later, 4 days later, depending on, how yucky it kind of looks. I just used it today, as you guys can tell. But this is all you need, and your skin will feel amazing and look so much healthier. So I use this with just a little bit of water. That's it. I use a moisturizer afterwards, and done and done. And my skin looks pretty good, right, guys? I do have to say, my skin looks pretty good. It didn't always used to look that way. Trust me. So these are amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Norwex all the way. I will see you guys in the next one.